Hello guys, welcome to Benazir Kitchen. Today I am making another yummy, healthy, yummy recipe. Is cheesy spinach recipe. Is very yummy and quick recipe and tasty, creamy texture spinach with cheesy cream. Okay guys, let's start. Guys, I'm using fresh spinach. Look at this color. Fresh, crunchy spinach. I am using 300 gram spinach, fresh, wash and not cutting. Is full size. Maybe is leaf is, look at this, not chopped. 300 gram fresh spinach. 1/4 cup white flour, 1/4 cup. 2 teaspoon garlic, finely chopped. 2 teaspoon chopped garlic. 1 cup cheddar cheese. 1 cup cheddar cheese. Cream, half cup cream, thick cream, half cup. Salt to taste, and I am using 2 tablespoon butter, and fresh ground black pepper powder. Look at this, fresh ground black pepper powder. Just it, and start this recipe. Okay guys, let's start. Just 2 minutes. Hello guys, welcome back to Benazir Kitchen. Guys, I am using large flat pan and add just adding I am 1 tablespoon oil. Just it, 1 tablespoon oil, and add butter, 2 tablespoon butter, like this. Yes, adding 2 tablespoon butter. Okay, and now I am adding my spinach. Fresh spinach, not chopped. Look at this yummy cheesy spinach recipe. And cover up for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay guys, see you after 7 to 8 minutes. Hello guys, welcome back to Benazir Kitchen. After 5 to 6 minutes, look at this, my spinach is soft. Look at this. Okay, now I am adding 2 teaspoon garlic paste, chopped garlic, and again mix like this, and add 1/4 cup white flour, like this, 1/4 cup, and mix 2 to 3 minutes very well. Very nice smell, butter and garlic. Look at this. Medium flame, not high, medium flame. I am saute just 2 and 3 minutes. Guys, believe me, it's very yummy recipe. Spinach, cheesy spinach recipe. Okay, now it's sauteed 2 to 3 minutes. Add half cup cream this stage, and again mix. Look at this. Mix well. Cook together with flour and spinach. Okay. Now add fresh ground black pepper. Fresh ground black pepper. Look at this. And salt to taste. I am adding one teaspoon salt, and again mix. Look at this texture, creamy texture. Just cooked 2 to 3 minutes. All black pepper and salt mixed together very well. Look at this creamy texture. Spinach. Very yummy. I'm adding little bit more salt. Just half teaspoon again. Very yummy, creamy. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes is cooking. You can serve with steak, beef steak, chicken steak. This is very ideal recipe for side dish. Steak and chicken steak, yummy. Just more 2 minutes. Garlic flavor and butter flavor is very yummy, guys. Now I am adding cheddar cheese, 1 cup. Not too much, 1 cup. And again mix. Oh, bubbling, cheesy. Look at this. Oh my god, yummy. Just 2 minutes and my recipe is ready. Quick cheesy spinach recipe is ready for serve. Okay guys, and I am waiting for just 1 minute. Look at this creamy texture. Look at this. Look at this. Creamy texture. and flame off. Ready. Okay guys, it's serving time. I show you just 2 minutes. Hello guys, welcome back to Benazir kitchen. Guys, look at this. My yummy cheesy spinach recipe is ready. You can serve with beef steak, chicken steak. Delicious, yummy, flavorful, healthy spinach, cheesy spinach recipe is ready. Thanks for watching Benazir kitchen. Thank you so much.